So last example for this section is a word problem. So here are a few steps that we can use to kind of keep focused on how to set up and solve our word problem. So first of all, read the whole thing, figure out what's being asked. This is kind of like that U step in the UPS check. Number 2, draw a picture or a graph. So set up what's going on, make a visual. I'm a visual learner, so I like seeing what the words are trying to tell me. Assign your variables. This is key so that you, as the one solving the problem, are communicating to me, the one reading your solution, what each variable stands for, so that I don't have to guess that X represents hammers and Y represents screwdrivers or whatever. So you are clearly telling me what piece of information each of your variables will represent. Then you'll set up your equation, solve the equation or the system, and make sure that you answer the question. Sometimes solving the system doesn't answer the question, so always go back to be sure that whatever is being asked has been answered. Alright, so here's our word problem. We're selling tickets, and they cost a different amount of money for adults or students. We need to raise at least $1,000 in order to make costumes and our stage set. And we have 240 tickets that we can sell. So first of all, I'm going to pull out the information. Obviously, important information would be the fact that tickets cost a different amount for adults and students. We also want to make sure that we meet our goal. And we have some constraints here. We can only sell 240 tickets. So that's the essential information. So I'm going to assign my variables. I'm going to say X will represent adult tickets and Y will represent student tickets. So this is similar to some of the equations we've already set up. If I sell X number of adult tickets, I earned 8 times X dollars from those tickets. Plus, if I sell Y number of student tickets, I earn 4 times Y dollars for those student tickets. And I want to earn a total of $1,000. Okay, but we can't sell 300 student tickets to make this price that we want. So instead, we have to also keep in mind that the number of adult tickets we sell, plus the number of student tickets we sell, can't be more than 240 tickets. Okay, so here are 2 equations, and now we're going to solve by substitution. So looking at my second equation, it's just as easy to solve for X or Y. So I'm going to go ahead and solve for X by subtracting Y from both sides. Once I have X solved for, I'm going to put it in parentheses and replace X in my first equation with 240 minus Y. Alright, and since I didn't work this out ahead of time, 240 times 8 gives me $1,920. Combining my like terms, I'm going to get 1920 minus 4y equals 1,000. Subtracting 1920 from both sides. And dividing both sides by -4, I will get 230 student tickets. So now I need to figure out how many adult tickets I need to sell. So if I substitute that back into, actually I'm going to substitute back into this equation right here, X will equal 240 minus 230. So that would leave me with 10 adult tickets. And I'm writing my answer as an ordered pair. I get 10 adult tickets, 230 student tickets. And your U-try problem.